Structural isomers of hexane and pentene. As I've said, start off drawing the parent alkane, well that's all you've got in question 1, and then in question 2, put the double bond in all the places in each one. So start off with hexane, start off with 6 carbons in a row, N-hexane, then take off 1 carbon, so pentane, where are all the different places you can put that extra methyl group. So you can put it at carbon number 2, you can put it at carbon number 3, of course carbon number 4 is exactly the same as carbon number 2. Chop the chain by 1 more, and you've got dimethyl butane then. So the 2 arrangements of that are if you've got the 2 methyl groups on different carbons, so 2,3-dimethyl butane, or the 2 methyl groups on the same carbon, 2,2-dimethyl butane. Note that if you put a methyl group on carbon number 1 or 4, it simply becomes pentane again. And you can't chop another carbon off because basically it can't go in the middle, so it'd have to go back on the end and you'd be back where you started. Okay, so we start off with the isomers of the parent alkane, so N-pentane, 5 carbons in a row. Where are all the different places we can put the double bond? Well, carbon number 1, pent-1-ene, carbon number 2, pent-2-ene, and that would be pent-2-ene as well, of course. Then we can try methyl butane. Where are all the different places we can put the double bond in methyl butane? So try drawing the methyl butane the same way each time, makes it easier not to confuse yourself. So we can put the double bond between the branched carbon and the end carbon. That's one place. Now that's going to be exactly the same as here because this is the branched carbon and that's an end carbon. Now right angles are totally artificial, remember, it's all tetrahedral. So that's going to be, what's it going to be called? 2-methyl but-1-ene. Then we can also put it at the other end. So this is between the unbranched carbon and the end carbon. So that's 3-methyl 1-butene. The other place we can put it is in the middle there, between the branched carbon and a middle carbon. So that's going to be 2-methyl but-2-ene. And dimethyl propene, the central carbon has already got 4 bonds attached to it. So you cannot, dimethyl propane, you cannot add a 5th bond to make one of those into a double bond. No isomers based on dimethyl propane.